Hi, it's Betty at All In Books. We are getting ready for our annual Customer Appreciation Easter egg hunt. It's what's in the egg that matters.
Eggs.
Inside your egg, you could find
Eggs.
a sticky bunny toy,
Sticky.
a bookmark,
Bookmark. Eggs.
a book. What happened to the book?
We have a book. Peter Rabbit. Peter Rabbit.
We have a book, possible in the egg.
Eggs.
We also have gift certificates. You could win one of 4 Easter baskets, which includes a chocolate bunny made with milk, real milk chocolate.
You can have them.
Okay.
We also
Couple good ones.
have gift certificates and free books
Eggs.
and all sorts of fun to be had this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday
Eggs.
down at All In Books.
Eggs.